Welcome back to another video of Hard Coding. In this video, I'm excited to introduce a fully responsive and modern restaurant website built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This website includes over 10 beautifully designed pages, making it perfect for any restaurant, cafe, or food-related business. With a sleek and intuitive design, this website offers a seamless user experience across all devices. The homepage features an engaging hero section, smooth animations, and an eye-catching navigation menu. You'll also find dedicated pages for the menu, about section, contact information, and even a reservation system. Built with clean and well-structured code, this website ensures easy customization. Whether you're a developer looking to enhance your skills or a business owner in need of a professional online presence, this template is a great choice. If you're interested in this restaurant website template, you can check out the purchase link below. Let's dive in and explore its features.